Today we are going to discuss some of the exercise given on the NCERT textbook volume 1 page number 46. Page number 46. The first numerical 1.1. What is the force between two small charged sphere having charges 2 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter in air? What is the force between two small charged sphere having charges 2 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air medium? Okay. So this is one charge is 2 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb and other charge is 3 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. Distance of separation between them is 30 centimeter. So 0.3 meter. So 3 into 10 to the minus 1 meter. Coulomb's law is applicable for point charges, but our small charged sphere, they can be considered as a point mass. These two small charged sphere can be considered as the point mass. So under that assumption, we are applying the Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square, because medium is air medium. Medium is air medium. So dielectric constant is approximately 1. So F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 means 9 into 10 to the power 9. One charge is 2 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb and other charge is 3 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. So therefore q1 is 2 into 10 to the minus 7, q2 is 3 into 10 to the minus 7. This is distance 30 centimeter. It can be converted to meter as a 3 into 10 to the minus 1 whole square, distance square. If I do this, the force of attraction between them is 6 into 10 to the minus 3 Newton. So this is the force between two charged sphere if they are considered as a point masses separated by a distance of 30 centimeter. This. So since both the charges are like charges, so this force is repulsive in nature. This force is repulsive in nature. Now question number 1.2. Now question number 1.2. The electrostatic force on a small charged on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. The electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 coulomb on another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb is 0.2 Newton. What is the distance of separation between them? Next would say, what is the force? What is the force on the second sphere due to first? What is the force on the second sphere due to first? So in the language it is said that the force on this due to this is equal to Eman Newton. So what is the force on this due to this? It is again 0.2 Newton, because this force is mutual. No? This force is mutual. So F is equal to, so this is the Coulomb's law. F is 0.2 Newton, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 9 into 10 to the power 9. One charge is 4 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb and other is 8 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. This is positive charge, this is negative charge. So therefore this is attractive force divided by r square. So if I calculate r square, this is r square. This is r square. So from r square, so it is 12 centimeter. Actually charges are given as q1 is 0.4 microcoulomb. 0.4 microcoulomb means 4 into 10 to the minus 7. q2 is minus 0.8 microcoulomb. So it is 8 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. Here we have taken the magnitude only, and we are saying that force is attractive in nature. Since the charges are opposite in nature, this force is attractive in nature. Now Since the forces are mutual, since the force is mutual, hence the same force, this is 0.2 Newton, act on the second sphere due to first. Now question number 1.3, check the ratio Ke square divided by capital G MEMP. K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, proportionality constant in Coulomb's law. This small k, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, this is universal gravitational constant capital G. Capital G is the universal gravitational constant. MEMP, this is mass of electron, mass of proton, is dimensionless. Check the ratio K square by G MEMP is a dimensionless. Look up a table of physical constant and determine the value of this ratio. And what does this ratio signify? Ki signify kore etu hudise. So this is the question 1.13. So K square by capital G MEMP. So this can be written like this. Actually this is dia asil. Moi both the numerator and denominator divided korisu by r square. This is the electrostatic force between proton and electron. This is the gravitational force of attraction between electron and proton separated by same distance. So it is a ratio of force. So therefore it is dimensionless. So what we are doing here, we have to find the ratio of these two. So I divide the numerator and denominator by r square. So therefore K square by r square. This is the Coulomb's law of interaction between electron and proton. And this is G MEMP by r square. This is the Newton's law of gravitation, gravitational attraction between electron and proton. Since it is a ratio of force, it is a dimensionless constant. Or instead of doing in this way, we may do in this way also. K square by G MEMP. K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 E square G MEMP. So here 4 pi is a constant, it has no dimension. What is dimension of epsilon 0? This is dimension of epsilon 0. This is E means charge. What is the dimension of charge? A1 T1. It is square, therefore whole square. What is capital G? Universal gravitational constant. Its dimension is m to the power minus 1 L cube T to the power minus 2 MEMP m square. If I do this, then it is again found to be dimensionless. There is another part. Look up a table of physical constant and determine the value of this ratio. We have to calculate. You put the value of this. What is K? K means 9 into 10 to the power 9. E means 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19. If we put these values in this equation, this numerical is already done. So therefore, you may put from here also. This is. So here is 10 to the power 36. The same value we are getting. Yet K এর জায়গাত আমি কি লিখিম? এই K এর জায়গাত লিখিম আমি 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 E square তো ঠিক আছে, E square আছে G MEMP G MEMP. K এর জায়গাত লিখিম 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 E square G MEMP. এইখিনি পুট কৰিলে মই ৰেচিঅ'টো কিমান পাওঁ? 10 to the power 39 পাওঁ. আমাক ইয়াত সুধিছিল, determine the value of this ratio and what this ratio signify. This ratio signify that the electrostatic force is around 10 to the power 39 times stronger than that of the gravitational force between electron and proton.